And we are live here at Starlight Village out in Leander, one of the super cool communities out here. I think what I like best about this mid-century vibe is actually the mid-century vibe. Kind of give you an idea of what kind of model homes we're going to look at today, but I'm going to give you a tour through this one right here at 408, which is right by the community pool, again with that great mid-century vibe. Let's go check it out. No garages, but a really unique storage unit. I like that. This home is in the mid-fives. All right, first of all, let's comment on it. I love the mid-century vibes that you're looking at here. The brick, I can almost imagine seeing some of it in downtown Austin. The open stairs, definitely incorporating it. I like the finishes they've got right away. Those things immediately impact me. Great pull back into that mid-century. They've got it staged perfectly, too. Very cool, very, very cool. Let's check out what they've got here. All right, Bosch appliances. Some sort of textured wood on the cabinets. Lots of light. Not a single light bulb is on in this place. Good storage. Again, good staging they've got here. Bathroom, kind of cool. Little outside deck. I love this open plan. The lights are unique. There's so many good things I'm seeing. This is kind of the E-Pay floor with a separate access to that deck. Little yard outside. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, well, the bathroom's not so authentic, but I do like the vibe. Most of the bathrooms in the 60s didn't have a lot of the improvements we have here. Very, very cool. And good closet, very important. All right, let's go in upstairs and check out the place upstairs now. Look at the kind of the detail of the stairs, that metal there. I know that's for anti-baby fall through. Ran into that at Guadalupe 5 in downtown Austin, another mid-century vibe project. Okay, man, this is very, very cool. Lots of light in here. I love this light. Looks over the community. Okay, let's look it out. Should be 4 bedrooms here. 1. So build outs, a little deck out here. A laundry room, another bathroom or half bath. Nice sized place. Oh, this is a little Jack and Jill bathroom too. Okay. Cute place. Love the vibe. Love that little built-in too. Check that out. Let's see. I'll kind of end it with this staircase view here.